Hey there, Lisa here with a quick tutorial on how to make a cloud brush for Photoshop. Now I'm going to start here in Lightroom, but any of these adjustments can easily be done in Photoshop as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this down to include just my cloud. So that looks pretty good right there. Then I'm going to adjust my white balance and give it a little bit of contrast. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and take this into Photoshop. Okay, so I've got my cloud in Photoshop and I'm going to go ahead and unlock my background so I can work on this. And if I had any little pieces of other clouds hanging out up here, I would use my spot healing brush or my clone stamp tool to get rid of them. But this cloud is pretty clean. I'm going to go ahead and keep it all. So once you've cleaned it up to your satisfaction, you want to go up to Image, Adjustments, and turn this to black and white. And what you want to do is take anything that was blue, so you want your sky to be black. So we're going to do that by taking down the blues. And we're going to be careful not to lose any kind of detail that's in the edges here. And you're going to do the same thing with the cyans. So that's looking pretty good. I'm going to click OK. And it looks like there's a little bit of noise or something going on down here. So I'm going to grab a black brush and just kind of quickly clean up just around there a little bit. That's good. And then we actually want to invert this image so that you have a black cloud on a white background for this brush. Sounds a little strange, I know, but that's the way it works. So once you've done that, go up to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and click there. Now if your Define Brush Preset is grayed out, that means you've exceeded the 5,000 pixel limit on your brush. So what you need to do is just resize your image a little bit before going back to it. So we're going to go ahead and just name this. We'll name it Cloud 6 and click OK. So now if I go to my brushes, there it is. Okay, so now I can go up here and do a new fill layer. We'll tell it blue, but it gives me red, so we're going to go blue. And put a new layer on top of that. We can go back up to our brush. Make sure you're painting with white. And there's our cloud. I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.